I am Dr. B.S. Murthy, Director of Orthopedics at Dharamsila Narayana Super Speciality Hospital, Delhi. Today I will be talking to you about a knee replacement, which has become very common all worldwide as well as in India. People have started accepting this procedure as a very good modality for treatment of osteoarthritis. What is a knee replacement? Lot of people have a misconception. Knee replacement means you put a machine inside the joint, you take out the bones, muscles, skin, ligament, everything and put a new joint. It is not so. It is a simple resurfacing procedure where we replace the lost cartilage onto the end of the bones. What we actually do is that we put a small cut in front of the knee around 3 to 4 inches. There are different ways of doing that. Also, I will tell you later on how we go about it. And once we have exposed your end of the bones, what we do, we clean up the bone ends. We clean up the bone ends. We do not cut too much of bone. Using a special machines, we shape in your bones, and over that we put a little bit of cement on both sides of the joint. Or both sides of the joint. This is the femur, this is the tibia. So where we shape it up, and on the bottom we put this tibia is the leg bone, and on the bottom we put a small cement and put this cap inside. Whereas on the thigh bone we do a cleaning up of that part of the bone, and then we put a little bit of cement, and on top of that we put this cap, and then we align it up. Your knee becomes, this is knee replacement, where you see your 5 to 9 millimeter of cap is lost, so we replace that. On the bottom we replace that. In between we put a plastic spacer so that it balances out your knee joint. The most important point in a knee replacement, which is very important and it comes with experience, that is one, that is an alignment, other is the balance of the knee. If these two are not done, then your surgery becomes a failure, which comes with experience. Nowadays people are using more of computers and navigations to get this alignment and balance, but it is not absolutely necessary in all cases because it is an expensive business, unnecessarily time consuming. But those cases who are having excessive change in angle, or they have got old fractures where we are not able to align using a routine methods, then we use computer navigation system. Most of the experienced surgeons do not use navigation system unless otherwise it is indicated.